The first step of your solar journey is a thorough site survey of your home. This in-person appointment will capture multiple data points to ensure we design and install a solar system that is perfect for your home.
The three main areas we cover during the survey are
your roof, your attic, and your home's electrical system. We'll take comprehensive photos of your roof to confirm the current condition allows for solar panels to be installed over the material. We'll determine the best location to install the solar arrays so the whole system produces the optimal amount of energy for you. Inside your attic, we'll take detailed measurements and photos of the roof supports and rafters. This is to confirm the installed solar is properly supported and structurally sound for its entire lifetime. Lastly, we'll review your home's electrical system, including the utility meter, main service panel, and any sub-panels that may be present on site. Since your solar panels will produce electricity to energize your home and feed back to the utility, we'll make sure your home is up to code and will seamlessly support your new source of power. With this comprehensive survey out of the way, ESP will proceed to design and permit a custom solar system perfect for your home.